Alright, go ahead.
In Mark 12:30, it says, "And you must love the Lord your God with all your heart, all your soul, all your mind, and all your strength." Love or tiny nurse na name mo lagi sa SB. I vow to you that I will love the Lord with all my heart, with all my soul, mind, and strength. Because if you love the Lord, then I will also
Wala naman dito, di ba?
truly, I am blessed to have you. But I think mas blessed ka. Kasi, mahal ka na nga ng Lord. Mahal pa kita. Love, ikaw ang nandito sa buhay ko. Ikaw ang pinakamasayang game over ko. Ikaw ang pagpapalang lagi kong ikikwento. At ikaw ang hindi kasagutan sa mga panalangin ko. Moment namin ko. Love, I vow to you to always seek God's voice and guidance for the family that we are going to build. I will do my best to be more loving and caring husband and father to our future children. Sabi nga nila, ang lalaki ang haligi ng tahanan. Pero ngayong araw na ito, dinideklara ko na ang Diyos ang magiging pundasyon ng pamilyang bubuin natin at ng pag-iibigang ito. Love, I love you and I will forever love you.
Palakpakan po natin ang groove! May song pa po siya. Hindi pa po tapos.
Wala na akong paano po. This is for you. Pagkulan mo. Nasa akin ay kailangan. At pangako ating laman. Pag-ibig na wagas. Sana sabihin na ako, Mia.
question, akala ko sasagutin mo. Wait lang, isa na. Was a question constantly asked by our families and friends, in which I would answer, stress ako kasi hindi ako stress. My response may sound as a joke, but it is not. Why would I be stressed? Number one, ganito lang, don't worry. Number one, why would I be, hindi pa dumadating ang stress, sinasaluhin. And number two, which is the ultimate reason, is that I know and I am sure that even before we started all this, the Lord is already here. I believe that He did not only plan and design this day, but also our journey as in us in God. In the second chapter of Genesis, verse 18, the Lord God said, "It is not good for the man to be alone. I will make a helper suitable for him." With this I say to you, that I promise to be your suitable helper each and every day of our lives. I will remain and always be faithful to you and to our commitment to each other. I may have said this to you exactly 2 years ago, but I will say it again now. I will support you in all the things the Lord has instructed you to do, in all of your and our visions, and in all the desires of your heart. I will stand by your side and not let you fall. But if in case you do, know that it is not just my hand that is there to reach out for you, but His too. We will face everything confidently and without fear together, or should I say together, because we are three. The Lord with you and me. We will build a home that is overflowing not just with love, but also with laughter and utmost respect for each other. From Sir Timothy 2 years ago, nakapag-fixing ko dahil sa COVID. Ako po unang nag-chat sa kanya. To Sir Paul, na i-chat ko kapag may papapost sa Facebook or ipapa-layout ng training announcement. To Just Paul, kasi ayaw mong tawagin kitang sir dahil masyadong formal. To love na boyfriend ko, to love na fiancé, and now, to love na husband. Truly, God has made everything beautiful in its own. I love you, Lord. Happy anniversary. Palakpakan po natin sila. What beautiful.
Gentlemen, let us witness the first kiss. Husband and wife. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord shine His face upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord be up His countenance upon you and give you peace. God bless you both. Mr. and Mrs. Timothy Paul, the way.
I'ma pick you up in a Cadillac like a gentleman, bring it double back, keep it お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスタースタースタースターキラキラ私はスター
Mga TikTokers pa na.
Everybody wait for Taylor Matthews! tuloy ha. Go!